Hey guys, so I've seen a lot of people who are looking for how to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards. Okay, and there's a lot of fake tutorials on this as well. I just want to be completely straightforward and honest with you. So, the way this one works, it's by Google. Yes, and it's legit. But you cannot directly withdraw cash from Google Opinion Rewards. The earnings that you get here are Google Play credits, as you can see right here. And that must be used within the Google Play ecosystem. And to use your credits, you can purchase apps, games, books, movies, or in-app purchases from the Google Play Store. And while there is no official method to convert these credits to cash, there are some third-party apps that may offer the service, though they often charge a significant fee. So I recommend you to exercise caution, but you do get Google Play Balance, and it's completely legit. Okay, so I hope you appreciate this video, the honesty. If you do, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.